If you build REST APIs on Intersystems IRIS, you know this story. The OpenAPI spec says one thing, the implementation drifts, and your tests lag behind. You copy-paste boilerplate, reinvent the same HTTP helpers, and hope you didn't miss an endpoint. Shipping a change shouldn't feel like rolling the dice.
What if your OpenAPI spec could do more than document your API? What if it could generate your IRIS REST test scaffolding for you? Meet IrisOASTestGen, an OpenAPI-driven generator that turns your Swagger spec into executable ObjectScript test suite. In seconds, IrisOASTestGen reads your OpenAPI 2.0 spec and builds a full scaffolding, one test class per cap, methods per operation, strongly typed model classes, and a reusable HTTP utils class that takes care of all the low-level HTTP dance. No more hand-rolling request objects just to talk to your own API. Because the framework is generated for you, you finally focus on what matters: assertions, scenarios, edge cases, not plumbing. Your tests mirror the spec, endpoints stay in sync, and spinning up a new regression suite becomes a minutes, not days job. Out of the box, IrisOASTestGen gives you solid scaffolding, but when you need more, you unlock its second superpower, mustache templates. You control how tests are generated, structure, naming, even which operations deserve richer CRUD-aware flows. To your OpenAI spec, like xcrud operation and xcrud operation create, your templates can branch intelligently. IrisOASTestGen loops through all responses, auto-building tests for each status code, 201 success, 400 error, and beyond. Your spec becomes the single source of truth for both API and tests. From there, adding real test logic is straightforward. You fill in the scenario, build a person object, call createPerson, parse the response, and assert status codes, schema validity, IDs, headers, and error payloads. The boring parts are handled. You stay in the creative part of testing. When you're ready, you run everything with the IRIS unit test framework or plug it into CI, from spec to generated scaffold to green bar. Integration tests stop being a side quest and become part of your normal build. IrisOASTestGen doesn't try to replace your brain. It removes the repetitive scaffolding, keeps your tests glued to the OpenAPI contract, and gives IRIS teams a fast, reliable way to grow coverage without drowning in boilerplate. If you build REST APIs on Intersystems IRIS, this is your shortcut to cleaner, safer releases. Clone the repo, point it at your spec, and see how far you can go when testing stops getting in your way.